In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use indicator templates in Tradingview. Indicator templates are a huge time saver. Instead of rebuilding the same setup on every ticker or time frame, you can create a reusable package of your indicators, complete with your colors and inputs, and load it in a single click. Here is exactly how to do it clearly and efficiently. Start by opening your chart so you have a clean workspace. Add your desired indicators just like you normally would. This could be moving averages, RSI volume profiles, whatever you rely on. Take a moment to configure each one the way you like. Adjust periods, smoothing types, line thickness, colors, and visibility options. It's worth being precise here, because whatever you see now is what your template will remember. Once you are happy, look for the indicator template icon in your chart toolbar and choose Save Indicator Template. You'll be prompted to give it a name. Pick something descriptive so you can instantly recognize it later. Before you confirm the save, decide whether to enable Remember Symbol or Remember Interval. Remember Symbol locks the template to the current ticker. Ideal if a particular instrument needs custom indicators or parameters. Remember Interval ties the template to a time frame, which is useful if you have different settings for, say, 5-minute scalps versus daily swing trades. If you want a universally reusable setup, leave both unchecked so the template applies to any chart and time frame. To use your template on any chart, click the indicator template icon again and select your saved template from the list. Instantly, Tradingview loads the exact indicators and styling you saved, so you can get straight to analysis. If you have a favorite setup you want to see every time you open a new chart, use the same menu to set a default template. From then on, new charts will load with that layout automatically. You can change or clear this default at any time through the same menu. To keep things organized, manage your templates in that menu as well. You can rename to reflect updated strategies, delete ones you no longer use, or overwrite an existing template after you tweak indicators. A clear naming system goes a long way when you are juggling multiple approaches. One quick tip: if you load a template and something looks off, check whether you saved it with a locked symbol or interval, and make sure your plan supports the number of indicators in the template. That's it. Thanks for watching.